guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here on fish area. I'm meeting for the fish that I'll buy. So many customers. So it's very long time. And WTC Mochi. Almost coming here to buy what we need in the house. It's good we live near here. Hi everyone, good day. Here. This is some fish. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like and leave a comment suggestion. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. Bye everyone. And healthy.